So this is a E70 X5, and this has the Logic 7 and the built-in, I don't know if you could see here, monitor in the back, the rear entertainment system. It's a 2009. If I could get some light over here. Let me see here. You can't see, but it does have the USB and the aux. Right now I have it played through, I've tried both, but it doesn't matter. The sound quality is the same, but I have it through my aux rear now. So I'm gonna go and show you what is happening here. I've been trying to fix this for about a year now, and I still haven't figured out how. So right now the volume is at the minimum, right? I'm just going to show you how many times I have to turn this before I start hearing something. Usually with the volume, and I'll show you afterwards, I'm sure you will know, when you turn the volume, it immediately starts getting sound. But I'll show you how many times I have to turn it till I hear something. So 1, these are probably half turns, 2, 3, and I'm just now starting to hear something, 4, and just a little bit. So that's all the way up, and as you can see, you still could hear me very well. It barely hear anything, and it's very, very fuzzy and crackly. So let's go ahead and turn this all the way down, and we're gonna go back over here. We're going to go to the original. Oh, I don't want navigation. Let me go back. Car info. And we're going to go to radio here. So this is all the way. I don't know what's playing over here, but it doesn't matter. So as soon as I turn this, I'll try to grab this at the 12-6. There you go. It's about as loud as it was over there at the maximum with just a quarter of a turn.
Take your pick. Go to Dodge.com to find your local Dodge dealer and check out all the great deals.
So it doesn't even compare. I can't even turn it all the way because it'll blow my ears out. But you guys get the picture. Why doesn't it work? I have no idea. Check the wiring a bunch of times. If someone can figure it out, let me know.